Hello everyone. In today's video I'm going to be talking about an important question that I get occasionally, and that is, should I sue Dad's estate or challenge his will or revocable trust? It's a good question, and that's coming up next. Hello, I'm attorney Jeff Fouts with the law firm of Fouts Law Group. We handle estate planning and asset protection. Thank you for stopping by. If this is your first time here and you want to learn important tips and strategies about how to protect your assets against excessive taxes, creditors, predators, making sure your wife isn't taken advantage of after you die, or maybe making sure your kids are protected from divorce and lawsuits after both of you pass away, and mistakes of IRAs, then I would suggest that you click the subscribe button below and also click the notifications bell so that you'll receive a notice every time we post a new video. Okay, so the question is, should I sue Dad's estate or challenge his will? Okay, good. So we had a lady come in, very nice lady, very soft lady, and she had taken care of her father for years, okay, and for a good while at least. And she was tender-hearted, it was very obvious, and the father was close to her and wanted to leave her all of it. The other brother was not involved at all. He was in another state, not that that's the most operative thing, but he was in another state. He never came by. He was successful, and he was also kind of controlling, kind of greedy, kind of pushy. And so what had happened was the father had been taken to an estate planning attorney, and his estate planning documents changed. Instead of the daughter getting 100%, the son and the daughter were to get 50% each. Actually, it was an accident, okay? It wasn't even intended to be that way, but the documents ended up that way. So the daughter, of course, was upset, and she wanted to challenge the estate plan. And we talked about it. We talked about the pros and cons. We talked about the odds of winning and the cost and all of those things and the emotion of it all. And so she was pretty upset, but she had control of her emotions pretty good. But she was still, you could tell that she was upset. It hadn't been long since her father had died, and to learn of this. Now, not that she in any way begrudged taking care of her father at all. She didn't do that, but it was kind of it's a principle of the thing. And so we talked about what we would need to do if we wanted to begin to consider challenging the estate plan. And so I gave her a homework list of things that she was going to get from me, information and documents, and so then she was going to report back. We had another consultation in about a week. So when she came back in, we talked things over, and she decided that she did not want to challenge the estate plan. And you may say, well, Jeff, that's the right thing to do. I mean, 50% is better than nothing. Yep, 50% is indeed better than nothing, but 50% is a whole lot less than 100%. So there's a principle at play here. So she decided, look, I'm going to leave this alone. It's not worth the bitterness. It's not worth the emotion. It's not worth the time loss. And all of those things. And so just to keep this raw nerve, out there active for months and months and months and months, and maybe a year or two, just wasn't worth it. And so she decided that she was just going to leave it alone and accept it as it is. And so for her, that was the right decision, but it may not necessarily be the right decision for you or anyone else. But you can feel free to leave comments below if you have an opinion, if something like this has happened to you. So at Fouts Law Group, we are a specialist firm. We are not general practitioners. We focus on estate planning and asset protection for people that have assets that they want to protect, and so against the IRS, et cetera, et cetera. So we post videos and share our knowledge on a regular basis. So please feel free. I encourage you to click the subscribe button and also to click the notification bell so that you'll find out when we get a new video. Also, It's important that you have a plan that actually works, not just one that looks good. And so if you'd like a free consultation to have your plan reviewed, make sure your goals will indeed be accomplished, I encourage you to communicate with us. When you come in, you'll get a free copy of my book, Estate Planning in Georgia, How to Keep It in the Family, and you won't have to go to Amazon to buy it. And as well, I would encourage you to go to our lawsuit, FoutsEstateLaw.com. So I'll see you next time. Thank you.